Happy morning, happy afternoon, happy evening to all my Nanbas and Nanbis. Today in this video, I am going to address these two questions I know which is in all of your heads. Ma'am, what is the revised audit date? And will the auditing paper be difficult? Will audit be a hard paper? First, I will take up this question, will audit be a difficult paper when I go to the exam? Now, to answer that question, you first have to understand how ICAI actually sets their paper. They prepare three kinds of paper: easy, medium, difficult. That is the set A, set B and set C. Now there is a possibility, example, there is a possibility set C is the difficult paper, and in the initial dates which ICA released, auditing had 2 days leave, correct? So maybe the difficult paper was given to the exam hall and maybe that was the paper which was leaked out. So there is a possibility that when you go back to the exam hall, you might get either set A or set B, that is easy or medium paper. There is also another possibility where ICA thought, okay, already audit here and there we are putting, so we will give a medium or easy paper, and now they realize that, okay, there is lots of time for audit, so we will give them a difficult paper right now. That is also a possibility. Both possibilities are there and no one can predict because ICA is ICA. Yes or no? So we don't know whether it will be hard. What we have to do, I will tell you, we have to be prepared for the worst. We have to be prepared for whatever ICA is asking us. Yes or no? Have that mindset first. What is the revised audit date? Definitely it is not 19th Jan. It can be 21st Jan. It can be 25th Jan. It can be 29th. It can be 31st Jan also. What you are going to do until that time, what are you going to do? I will give few options. Wait, there will be some students, that is option number 1. Morning I will start seeing the reels, ma'am, like this I will keep seeing the reels till night. I will keep seeing the reels. Your thumb finger itself will pain. Until then, keep seeing, lots of time is there. See, I will call my friends and I will ask them, hey, any date is there? Any date, any faculty told? Date anticipation. Continuously calling everybody in this whole planet and asking, when is the audit exam? Please tell me. What do you think about this? I don't think anything about this. I only think about my auditing book. That should be your answer if somebody is asking you. Or some people will be like, hey, Pongal came, I missed out movies. Now is the time. ICA is asking us to go and watch movies. They are asking us to go and enjoy. Some people go to beach, eat everything and fall sick. That is the best thing to do. Some people be like, I'm costing an FMSM. I lost out on sleep. Next 24 hours, I am only going to stay in bed and I'm going to sleep. Most attention you have to give to these people, correct? Nanbas and Nanbis in your life, they are most important people. You go and give all your attention to them. This is first category people. There is another option that is for second category people. They are the people who feel like, ma'am, I have skipped these few topics which I was not able to cover. Now I am going to learn the skipped topics. Whatever I studied, I am going to revise again. I was not able to write a mock test previously, so I am going to have lots of writing practice now, and I am going to write mock tests also. You told me I have to be prepared for the worst. I want to see all the difficult questions. I will do the last day revision, Vivutsu, LDR. And I will become more strong in the expected questions also. This is the second category of people. Where you want to be? You tell me. You want to be in the first category or second category? You please tell me where you want to be. Put it in the comment. I will be in second category in the next few days. I will be in first category. In that first category, I am doing the date anticipation. You put whatever you want, you put in the comments. Whatever you are going through right now. I am seriously telling you guys, people who succeed in exams or in life are the ones who are able to plan things again when things are not going as per the plan. Even if their plans don't go well, they are able to plan again. In SA 300 also you saw how plans keep on changing. Practically you're seeing it. You have to succeed means your plans will not go as per your wish. You have to be willing to change your plan and you will have to plan again, and only then you will be able to succeed. Now, from my side, I've given 3 resources. I will just explain. For people who are like, ma'am, I want conceptual revision, these topics I want to study again, the exemption marathon 100% syllabus is covered. The entire marathon is of 22 hours. I have given that. You want to do difficult questions? The Vivitsu last day revision, all the questions there are really standard question. You will be spending just 4.5 hours for the Vivitsu LDR marathon. The expected questions, I don't even have to talk about that. For strategic management, what kind of responses I got for SM expected questions. Similarly, we can expect for auditing also, because keeping in mind that it will be a hard paper only, I have given the expected question. So let us be prepared for the worst. If you have to go through the entire expected question marathon now, it is going to cost you 6.5 hours. Totally, guys, if you want to do all the three, only 30 hours. In 30 hours, if you give your dedicated time and consistent effort, I am guaranteeing 60 plus marks in your examinations. It is possible. I am telling you now. You have to tell yourself whichever category that you are selecting, give 100% to that. Give 100%. Don't do half here, half here. No. If you come to this category, give 200% to this and be truthful to yourself. And trust me, if you do all these 3 resources, that is the exemption marathon, Vivitsu LDR, and the expected question marathon, no one can shake you. Your foundation will become really strong. Nobody can shake you. And like I told you, I'm guaranteeing 60 plus in your exam. It is left completely up to you whether you have to be in option 1 or option 2. Whatever I wanted to tell, I have told, guys. Now the rest is in your hands only. Only in your hands. All the very best, guys.